We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay can't add debit card. First thing you need to do is confirm that your debit card and issuing bank support Apple Pay because some cards are not enabled for digital wallets by default. Next, open the wallet app and make sure the card details you entered are correct and that your personal information matches exactly with your bank records. Then, check your internet connection and verify the Apple Pay services are not experiencing a temporary outage. After that, restart your device, update to the latest iOS version, and try adding the card again or remove and re-add it if it was previously linked. And if the card still won't add, contact your bank to ask if there are security blocks, expired cards, or verification steps required. Then reach out to Apple support if the bank confirms that the card is eligible. So that's it.